This is recipe number 2 inspired by Nauruan cuisine. To prepare this tasty creamy meal consisting of rice and chicken, I am using the following products that can be found on Nauru. 100 grams rice, 500 grams chicken meat, 10 grams curry powder, 2 grams ginger powder, and 400 milliliters coconut milk. These ingredients are for 2 people, however, you can adjust the quantity to the number of people you would like to feed. First, boil the chicken meat for around an hour. Afterwards, remove its bones and chop the meat into smaller pieces. Put it aside for a while you prepare the other ingredients. Next step, mix the curry and the ginger with the coconut milk so it all becomes a homogeneous mixture. Boil it until it gets thicker. For me, it took around 20 minutes or so, because I added a cup of water too. Water is not obligatory though. Afterwards, put the chopped chicken meat into the mixture. Keep it on the hot plate while boiling the rice. I used simple white rice and it took me a few minutes to prepare it. As a final step, put the rice into the chicken coconut mixture and mix it well. You can keep it on the hot plate until all ingredients flavors mix completely. Then serve it in bowls. I decided to add several bits of broccoli too. The dish was creamy and spicy and tasted amazingly. Cook it too, and then enjoy your meal.